Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk about bioenergy. Bioenergy obviously is the energy obtained from biological processes and biological materials and biomass. Bioenergy is very important if we want to achieve integration of any biotechnological process, especially in case of environmental biotechnology. Now, basically, it is obtaining energy from biomass by any means. Sometimes the energy is generated directly by different biochemical processes, and sometimes it can be generated by very simplest means as well from the biomass. Now, when we talk about bioenergy, there are different types of bioenergy and biofuels. For example, methane and ethanol have long been known as different sources of bioenergy. However, to general public, the most direct bioenergy source is obviously which is obtained by direct burning of biomass, especially for example wood. So that is also bioenergy because it is being obtained from the burning of biomass. So bioenergy obviously comes from biomass and biological processes, and all those biomass indirectly or directly receives its energy from the sun. So ultimately, it is being derived by the energy of the sun and sunlight. For example, you can see here that during biomass combustion and also in different metabolic processes, organic carbon reacts with oxygen and it releases energy. So this energy is being released back in the environment. The residual matter feeds back into natural cycles for reuse. And जो कार्बन है और डिफरेंट जो मैटर है वो दोबारा रिसाइकल हो जाता है. So it is a cyclic process, and the bioenergy is basically aimed to recycle the energy and the matter as well. Now, how this energy and matter is related, and how this biomass and biofuel is related, these depends on the understanding of the thermodynamics and how one form of energy can be changed into another. So if we can understand the energy and the matter and how they interdepend on each other, we can understand how the bioenergy processes operate and what can be the relation between biomass and biofuels. Now, the most important point that concerns, or that is, you can say, the basis of the talk for bioenergy is basically the greenhouse effect and the effect on the climate being produced by the combustion of fossil fuels. So that's why we want to look for some other sources of energy, and bioenergy is one of them. So bioenergy simply releases the carbon it took up during its own growth. For example, if you are burning wood, for example, you have grown some plant, some wooden tree, and then you cut it off and you burn it to generate energy. So you are recycling the carbon as well, and you are releasing the energy as well. This was, you can say here, modern carbon or new carbon, which you have planted recently perhaps, or a few years back. It is not the carbon which has been locked up in the fossil fuels. So we are not unlocking the carbon present in the fossil fuels. We are planting new sources of carbon, and we are using those sources and recycling them. So that's how bioenergy is not adding extra carbon to the environment and atmosphere, because it is not relying on the burning of the fossil fuels. There are different types of bioenergy and biofuels as well, and this gives an ideal option to be used as energy input for integrated processes, especially in environmental biotechnology. We'll talk more about different types of bioenergy and biofuels in our upcoming sessions.